Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions. I am Saurabh Jain and today we will learn about unique function in Excel 365. Unique function is currently available with Office 365. We can extract unique values or we can extract values which is appearing only once in a list. Unique function takes three parameters. First parameter is the range or list from which unique value is required. Second parameter is optional and it takes logical value true or false. The default value is false, which means the data list or array is in rows. If the data list is in columns, then we will specify true. Third parameter is also optional and it also takes logical value true or false. Again, the default value is false, which means the function will return all unique values. True will return values that occur only once in the selected list. So in this example, we have list of names and to extract all the unique names from the list, type equals to unique open bracket. Now in the first parameter, select the list, closing bracket and press enter. The result is the list having all the unique names from the selected names. Remember, the default value for second and third parameter is false here. Now, if the names are arranged in columns instead of rows, then to extract all the unique values, type equals to unique open bracket in the first parameter, select the list, and because the list is available in columns, the second parameter will true. Closing bracket and press enter. The result is the all unique values from the selected names. By default, unique function returns all the unique values from the list. Now to extract unique values that occur only once in the list, we will use the third parameter. Type equals to unique open bracket, select the list, comma. The list is available in rows, so the second parameter will remain false. So we can skip this, comma. Now we want only values which occurs only once in the list. So specify true, closing bracket and press enter. Now the result is the values that occur only once in the selected list. If data is arranged in columns, then to extract the data that is available only once in the list, type equals to unique open bracket for first parameter, select the list, comma, the second parameter will be true because the list is in column, comma, we need unique values that occurs only once, so type true or you can use 1, closing bracket, press enter. The unique function returns the value that occurs only once in the list. Now to update the unique list automatically, change the list to table. Select the data and press Ctrl T. Click OK. The data is converted into table. To extract all the unique names, type equals to unique open bracket. Now select the table. So it will show the table name, closing bracket and press enter. The result is the all unique names. Now if I add any new name in the table, so Sachin is already available, so there is no change in the result. But if I enter any new name, the new name will automatically appear in the unique name list. So that's a simple way to find the unique values in Excel. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification for new videos. Thanks for watching.